Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Demi here, aka Honey Love Beauty. So I'm coming to you with an unboxing. I wanted to get a Telfar bag. I've been wanting this bag for like 2 months. Out of like 3 or 4 colors I wanted, but it came today, so it's the large one. I'm gonna do an unboxing on it. Ooh. So it comes in the, the plastic covering. Oh God. So it comes out of here. And then of course the little duffel bag duster it comes in. And I had the black one. And this is the bag. And so this is what it looks like. It's a large bag. You see I had to back up quite a bit. But of course this is his logo, and it's embossed. And this is what it looks like. Let's see here. And the straps, it's a pretty sturdy bag. It's huge, of course. And that's what it looks like inside. It's a lot of space. It has a little pocket here. It's like a little secret compartment. I don't know what you can put in there, but it's a little secret compartment. And then the little zipper part is huge as well. And then it has a couple of pockets here, I guess for your phone or tablet. But this is the Telfar bag in black, and this is what it looks like. This is the handle part, and then if you want to wear it like this, you could. So yeah, this is the Telfar bag. Hello, welcome back to my video again. So I just wanted to do kind of like a full-on review of the bag and what I think about it. All I know is I wish I would have had this bag in college because it would have came in handy for a lot of things. I'm not saying to put your whole life in there, weigh the bag down and mess around, tear it up, but it can hold a lot of stuff, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Personally, I love it. I'm sorry that my hair is all over the place. I had some errands to run today, and it's just my like toss-on wig. This is that Bayo Fox headband wig that I showed you in a previous video. I don't know how many videos back, but it's here. It's on the channel. Check it out. But yeah, so this is the bag, baby. This is the Telfar bag. It's the black, obviously large, and I purchased it January 17th, and I got the order January 14th. So it was, the 7 days. It was, it was the 7 days. It didn't exceed that, which is great. And it came in this like random packaging. I don't say like random in quotation mark as in like the packaging sucked or nothing, but I say random and people wouldn't, second guess like, ooh, what's that? It's literally a flat large box, and you would think that it was a package that came from Amazon or something like that, which is not. Curious cats, people that walk past your building or walk past your home, they won't be like, ooh, what's in that box? It's literally a flat box, and there's nothing special about it, which is great, which I love. But when you open it, it's this heavy duty plastic wrapping that the bag is in, which you just saw, and then the duster that came with it. The duster is really nice quality. It's not no rinky dink duster. It's a really nice duster to keep your bag in when you're not wearing it. And it's just overall a great bag. First of all, I love that you can, do a crossbody situation or have it, hanging long on your side, or you can just use the handle, which is just great. And it's just a bad bitch, boss bitch bag. It's just so nice. And I love it. The shipping was $26.34. I'm sorry, I have my notes here. I'm looking. It was $26.34. The total overall was $283.34. And then I ordered it January 17th, and I got it on January 24th, which is great. I have like a little my little chart here as to the details, and then I also recorded the checkout situation to see what they were talking about. Like, you have to check out really quick. That was the case, but it wasn't the case. As long as you're in that checkout line and you know what you want and what size you want, that bada bing, bada boom, click the buttons, shouldn't be no thing. And you should be in line by 9 o'clock. If not 9 o'clock, 9:01, because they open up the site available for you to purchase the bags at 9 o'clock. Not 9 o'clock on a dot, because I'm telling you, you'll see in that little clip, as soon as 9 o'clock hit, I was refreshing like a fool, and it finally said add to cart. Then after add to cart, fill out a couple of little security pictures, and then they take you to checkout. You're in line, you're waiting, and then it says my video cut out for some reason towards that end of the part, but it said, your purchase is ready basically to be made. Told me to put in my information, and I scanned my card because I did not have it on file already because I haven't purchased from him. So I had to scan my card, which I thought it was going to slow it up, but it didn't. So I put my name, address is already filled in, already had been logged into my account. So do that first. That's, that helps a lot. Log into your Telfar account already created, and already have your address and where you're going to ship to on there or bill to, whatever it is, have it ready. And then they're going to have that little window, select an address change. It's the same address. Just hit the button, agree or accept changes, and it's going to take you through the steps. Put in your card. I recommend you scan your card, and then it's going to ask for a CVC code, and then that's it. And then you check out, and then you'll get your little confirmation email, and then you'll get your bag within 7 days, baby. And you're just going to be dripping in luxury when you get your bag. You just feel bougie. Even in this little hair situation, my little tube top and my little glasses that I got from Zenni Optical, sponsor me. I have like about 3 or 4 pairs of their glasses. I love them, and the prescription on it is on point. And they don't give me a headache. Usually when I first start wearing glasses, when you first start wearing a new prescription glasses, you get a headache instantaneously for like about a week or so. I don't know what it is, but with these, that wasn't the case. Like I was good all the way through, and I had these glasses for a little over a year. And then you get to put like little embellishments here, and this says Demi is blessed. And then I have another one. Well, I have my mom's that said my mom says money magnet with a little cross. Anyway, that's not what the video is about. The video is about the Telfar bag and how much I'm in love with it. And be sure to copy one, y'all. I will tell you though, I got up at 6:45 because I thought I had to be on the site at 6:45. You just literally have to be up and ready to go with your card information and all that at like 8:50. At 8:50, be ready, because 9 o'clock when it's available, get the going. And it's best to do it on your phone. However, if your computer or laptop already has your information automated, good for you. I think Google does that automatically, but for some certain things, like I have a brand new iMac computer desktop, but it's new, but it's not new. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff on it because that's how you like slow it down, and I don't want to have to take it to Apple Store, have them check it out, and all this other shenanigans. So I use my phone. It's best to use your phone. Anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you guys about my Telfar Easy bag and how I'm loving it and living in luxury. No, let me stop. But yeah, I love my bag. And be sure to copy one. You need one in your life, baby. Anyway, thank you guys so much for staying with me and watching this video. Don't forget to check the description box below for more details. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to make sure you follow your girl. And don't forget to hit me up on my social medias. Hello. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Peace.